Hello. So, more information about what exactly did Esau and the angels do. From their perspective, they messed with time. And yes, that would be the appropriate theological, scientific conclusion about what the fallen angels did. And of course, Esau, the use of the sword, right? And they speculate that this would lead to their salvation. Well, there is an underlying idea between the two, which of course caused you to collaborate with each other because you relate to this one thing. And that one word would be service. Service. That is the commonality. That is the underlying similarities between the fallen angels and Esau. They had a problem with service. They didn't understand when Esau was told that they would serve Jacob. He took that as an animal. He understood it as an animal, not as a person with a spiritual understanding. In the spiritual hierarchy, the strongest serve. The strongest serve. That's how it goes. So it was a powerful position that Esau was handed, regardless of the rhetoric from these so-called woke Israelites out here. You were given everything, all of this power, so as you can serve. Because if it was the opposite, it would corrupt you and everything around you. And that is what has happened to you. You are not cursed. The symbol of the sword does not mean killing. It can also mean protection. And we did need protection from our brother. But what happened? Colluded with other tribes to kill us. That's the world history. Right? So all of this rhetoric about, yeah, I understand all of your reasoning to why. Right? Because I'm not an Israelite leader alone. So, if you wanna stand next to me, you have to prove to me that you can serve. If not, then what's the point? That means you haven't learned anything. So, that goes even to the proposed wife. Still consulting on that anyway. She would also have to serve here in Israel, in East Africa as you call it, for a year to prove that she can pick up that role. She can be an actual addition So yeah, that is my perspective pertaining to that. So the question remains. Prince Easy signing out. Bye.